Hi everyone, welcome to my art class. Today I'm going to show you a special project for Teacher Appreciation Day. Let's see. This one is the project we are gonna do it for today. Are you ready? Okay, let's starting it. Switch camera. All right, you will need the color papers, glue stick, scissors, and you can use pencil and eraser. I use Sharpie so you can see better. Okay, so first one, we need to have a red paper drawing an apple. Okay, you see the whole apple right here. We are gonna draw an apple. So apple is very easy. Just draw a whole apple. Okay, and then make sure you put the line in the middle, and then you can do some of them a little lines for the decorations. Some like that. So you have the whole apple, okay? And so this one I printed out from my worksheet. This one you see it's the whole apple. If I put it together, you can see it, right? And so, but it's easier for the student to do half and half. So that's why I separate, okay? But I show you later, okay? So let's cut it from here. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead cut in the middle. This one, same thing, I cut right in the middle. So show it to you, this is the whole apple we just draw, okay? And then all you need to do is find a middle line and draw a line in the middle. And then right now we cut it separately. Okay, one. Two. Okay, and then if you have a white pencil, you can color the reflection a little bit. Okay, you can color the reflection a little bit and look like the apple. It's very fresh. Okay, and next one I'm going to make the stamp. Okay, so you need the brown paper. And let's draw a stamp. Small circle, line goes down, close up, another one right here. Very small because you can, we only put stamp on one of the one size of apple, okay? So let me cut it from here. This is the hand out. Okay, and we follow the line, cut it around. Like that. Okay. So we got one. And next one, you are going to, you can find this side or this side, either side, okay? And you glue it on, put glue. And I put the stem close up. I put right in the middle. But I only glue this half, so it stay in the middle, one half without glue, okay? And next one, we need the green paper for the leaf. Okay, and then you can think about one side and the other side. So for this side, you can do leaf. Very easy. Okay, and the other side, like that, and then we cut it out. Okay, simple. And this is because for the people who doesn't have print out, and then if you don't get the print out from me, then you can draw it on the paper, green paper, and then you still can do the project. Okay. All right, little by little, cut out one, cut the second one. Okay, here we go. And we have a leaf, one on the left, one on the right. Okay, so I'm gonna glue the leaf on the right. I'm going to just put some glue on this side, and then I close it up, put it close, so I know exactly here I'm gonna glue it on. All right, and next one I'm going to glue on the stem, so just a little bit glue, a little bit on the tip, and I glue right here so I can see the stem. Okay, so this one, you see the apple, it's done. Okay, and then this one, because it's for the teacher appreciation, and next one I want to show it to you. I want to do the caterpillar inside. Okay, and here we go. I have a little sketch for the caterpillar. Okay, and then very simple. Okay, all you need to do is draw a line first and curve down, right? And then tail, a little bit triangle, and goes down, and then we do a small leg, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And then this one is the head area. Head area, only 2 lines. 1, 2, close up, and then draw the mouth, draw the eye, and then make the texture, make it feel like, you know, you have some of the line in between, and I do a little more line in between like that. So it's a caterpillar, not hard to draw at all. Okay, and then I write the best teacher ever in the middle. So if you want to write words, you don't need to do much line. Okay, but if you like to, if you don't want to write words, and then you can connect a little bit like that. Okay, all right, so let me put it on the side. I have a caterpillar ready, and I'm going to have you cut it around. You don't need to follow the line, just cut it around close enough. Okay, close enough, it's good. Cut it around. And so for the younger friend, you know, if you can really cut well, you just cut it like that, and that will do. Okay, a little bit closer. Okay, this one's simple, right? You can cut it like that. But for the older kids, you can cut it with a little bit more detail. Goes around. It's a bit challenging, but It should be fine for the older kids, okay? Goes around. Move your paper in and out. And so easy for you to cut into the detail. Okay, see? That's it, all right? And then for the caterpillar, my student love to do rainbow. It's good, okay? But if you like, you can color in brown because that's the brown caterpillar like to eat the apple. So I choose the brown color paper, a little bit brownish. Okay, I didn't use the brown paper because I want it a little bit light. Okay, I want it a little bit light, so that's why I choose do it on the gray paper and color with brown color pencil. Okay, and then also the brown color pencil, you can do the shading. Like right now I'm doing it on the line. I shade top of the line a little bit so the caterpillar look more realistic. Okay, and then I shade on the side, inside the mouth, right this area, and then line, shade a little bit, back and forth, back and forth. And the younger friend, if you like, of course, you can color rainbow. It doesn't hurt, okay? But just let you know the caterpillar eating the apple, that's brownish, okay? So I color a little bit darker on the feet area and the shading a little bit more under the line, under the line, under the line. You can see it a bit darker under the line, tail a little bit, on the back a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, and body bottom part, okay, bottom part. Don't do it too hard, okay? Light, little by little, because the layer, you need to shading, you need to do the layering little by little, so it's fun to do it too, right? Okay, little by little. Okay, so I have my caterpillar ready. Okay, and then let's glue it on. All right, so caterpillar here. Oh, I think here I want to trim a bit more. Okay, caterpillar. First, I want the head comes out. So I put glue right in the middle and glue the caterpillar over the apple. Okay, but for this one, for the tail, I only did a little bit. And the apple gonna be right in the front. Okay, and I can put paper underneath to see if they are level. Okay, right now so far it looks good. Okay, and later on I show you how to close up, but right now here I'm going to use yellow paper to draw a charcoal board. Okay, all right, so I'm going to do just very simple rectangle, close up. On the bottom, you add the bottom part for the chalkboard, and you do eraser and charcoal. Okay, and eraser I did it, I make it larger. Okay, I just did it like that and make some line. And charcoal, you just have a small oval, through line and curve. That's it. Okay, here it's a little bit too small, hard to see. Okay, inside at the border, that's it. And then I write word says teacher, you rule. Okay, all right, I'm going to show you the handout, and then we cut it from here. Okay, little by little, little by little. Here we go. Okay, and I'm going to glue right here for the part of the decoration in the front apple. So let's glue a little bit on the apple and place this one on the top. Okay, and then you want it more in or more out or more up or more down. It's up to you. Okay, all right, next one you see right here, fold it inside. Okay, you see right here, fold it. Okay, so here fold, here fold, and then you squeeze in together, right, like that, and you flip it over. Okay, make sure it's even, right, simple. And then all you need to do is push down, push both sides. Make sure you label first, okay, because you want a perfect match. That's it. Okay, all right, that's flip it over. Take a look, you see the little caterpillar, and then you open it, it says best teacher ever, teacher you rule. Okay, let me show you in a different view. Ready? You see this one, it's the apple. Okay, open it. Best teacher ever, teacher you rule. I hope you enjoy the lesson and like this project, and then hope you enjoy it too. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye everyone, see you next time.